You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all this word. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. There are more videos for you. I'm afraid there are different pronunciations in English, pronounced either as Gib, the name of the cat in the medieval fables of Reynard the Fox. Gib, meaning a castrated male or cat, a male cat, Gib. It's also sometimes pronounced as jib, a strip, wedge or bolt made from metal or wood and used for holding a machine part in place, jib. So you have Gib or jib, depending on the meaning. How do you pronounce it yourself? And let us know why in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.